Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore some surprising facts about the world space programs. Space exploration has been a major priority for many countries for decades, and it has led to some remarkable discoveries and advancements in technology. So, let's get started and see what secrets the space programs hold. Number 10. The first animal to go into space was a dog. In 1957, the Soviet Union sent a dog named Laika into space. Unfortunately, Laika didn't make it back to Earth as the technology at that time wasn't advanced enough to bring her back. This sacrifice did help in advancing the technology needed for human spaceflight. Number 9. The Soviet Union had a secret space program. The Soviet Union had a secret space program known as Almaz. It was designed to create a space-based military system that could launch missiles from orbit. They even had a space station, Salyut 3, equipped with a 23mm cannon that could fire at other spacecraft. Number 8. The International Space Station is visible from Earth. If you know when and where to look, you can see the International Space Station, ISS, from Earth. It appears as a bright, fast-moving star that crosses the sky. It orbits the Earth every 90 minutes and travels at a speed of 17,500 miles per hour. Number 7. The fastest spacecraft ever was NASA's Parker Solar Probe. Launched in 2018, NASA's Parker Solar Probe is the fastest spacecraft ever built. It has already broken several records, including being the closest man-made object to the Sun and the fastest human-made object, traveling at speeds of over 430,000 miles per hour. Number 6. The first food eaten in space was applesauce. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first person to go into space, and his meal included pureed meat and vegetables, as well as some applesauce. Since then, space food has come a long way, and astronauts today have a wide variety of meals to choose from. Number 5. NASA's Mars rovers run on Linux. The Mars rovers are operated using a customized version of the Linux operating system. Linux is an open-source software that is highly stable and can be customized to suit specific needs. It allows NASA to update and modify the software remotely, which is important for a mission as complex as exploring Mars. Number 4. The Chinese space program is rapidly expanding. In recent years, China has been rapidly expanding its space program. In 2020, China sent a spacecraft to collect rocks from the Moon and bring them back to Earth, which had not been done since the 1970s. They also sent a spacecraft to Mars and successfully landed a rover on the planet in May 2021. Number 3. Spacecraft can use gravity to save fuel. Gravity assists are a technique used by spacecraft to save fuel and increase speed. A spacecraft can use the gravity of a planet or moon to change its trajectory and increase its velocity. NASA's Cassini spacecraft used this technique to explore Saturn and its moons for over 13 years. Number 2. The Soviet Union sent the first woman into space. In 1963, the Soviet Union sent the first woman into space. Her name was Valentina Tereshkova, and she orbited the Earth 48 times during her 3-day mission. She remains the only woman to have flown solo in space. Number 1. NASA's Voyager 1 is the farthest man-made object from Earth. Launched in 1977, NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft is the farthest man-made object from Earth. It has traveled over 14 billion miles and is currently in interstellar space, beyond the edge of our solar system. The spacecraft is still operational and sending back data, over 40 years after its launch. So there you have it, our top 10 surprising facts about the world's space programs. From the first animal to go into space to the fastest spacecraft ever built, space exploration has brought us many amazing achievements and discoveries. As technology continues to advance, we can only imagine what new surprises the space programs will reveal in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most, and if there are any other space-related topics you'd like us to cover.